Sometimes when you talk about climate change, it's this like very abstract issue. The world is changing, but what does that mean for every single person living on this planet? I'm a part of the Youth Climate Delegates program where we, in a way, present the voices of UAE youth. One of my main aspirations for COP28 is this enhanced youth engagement. One of the main concerns that I've been hearing from the youth community in terms of their participation in environmental spaces is that we use the power of our voices, but then what about the implementation? Student Energy Summit is the largest youth-led summit in the world. My hopes for after SES is for everyone to go back to their countries with a message. What is the future of energy? How could we reimagine energy? It's not just about bringing them to the summit, but about the impact that we leave with them, what they go back to their countries with, what knowledge they go back with. For an NYUAD student, there are numerous opportunities that surround us. I'm really happy with what's been done so far and would be really keen on continuing this journey with NYU and its sustainability endeavor.